AI does not read words, it reads tokens, and every API call, every chat, every long document you pay per token. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly what a token is, why it matters, and how to read your AI bill, plain English. Here is the core idea. Before any AI can process text, the text gets broken into tokens. A token is a chunk, roughly 4 characters or 3/4 of a word. The model never sees letters, it sees tokens. Think Lego bricks. The text is the finished structure. The tokens are the individual bricks that built it. Some words are 1 brick, others split into 2 or 3. 3 things to know. 1. Tokens are smaller than words but not letters. The word cat is 1 token. The word tokenization might split into token plus ization, 2 tokens. Strange words, code, or rare names split into more pieces. Common words stay whole. A general rule, 100 tokens equals about 75 words, or 3/4 of a word per token. 2. Tokens are how AI counts length. Every model has a context window, a maximum number of tokens it can read at once. GPT-4 handles 128,000 tokens. Claude handles 200,000. Gemini goes up to 2 million. If you paste a long document, count tokens, not characters. 3. Tokens are how AI charges you. When you use the API of any major model, OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, you pay per token, 2 separate prices. Input tokens, the prompt you send. Output tokens, the answer they generate. Outputs cost more, sometimes 3 to 5 times more. A typical chat costs fractions of a cent. A long research session can hit several dollars. Why does this matter to you? 3 cases. 1. You're paying for API calls. Count tokens, optimize prompts. 2. You're sending long inputs. A 200-page PDF might not fit in the model's context window. 3. You want faster answers. Fewer tokens in means faster response out. Some tips that save tokens. Strip whitespace and bullet markers from copy-pasted documents. Use shorter language in your prompts. Ask for shorter answers when long is not needed. Use cheaper, smaller models for simple tasks. Cache static system prompts when supported. These small habits compound at scale. You have been hitting tokens every day without seeing them. The 100 message limit on free ChatGPT, that is a token budget under the hood. The character cap on Claude messages, same. Even Google search has token limits internally. The cap on Copilot completions, tokens. Why do tokens exist at all? Why not just words? Because language is messy. Words have prefixes, suffixes, typos, slang, and code symbols. Subword tokens let the model handle anything, in any language, including misspellings, with one consistent system. It is a cleaner unit than words for the math underneath. Recap: 1. A token is a chunk of text, roughly 3/4 of a word. 2. AI reads, counts length, and charges per token. 3. More tokens means slower and more expensive. 4. Master tokens save money, get faster answers. That is what a token is. If this clicked, follow Terminode AI. Next up, what is a context window? The reason long chats forget. Plain English, every video. See you there.